Welcome back to another video by Easy Makes It Easy. In this particular video, I'm going to be covering some of the changes that I've seen to the A2A protocol specification that specifies how you can use gRPC to interact between a client and a service or a server. So I just want to quickly go to the protofile and show you some of the different data structures as well as some of the different RPC methods that are available in that specification. So if you head over to the latest version of the protofile, you would see all the different data structures that are imported here. You can if you're using C#, Go, and Java or Python, you can generate these stubs as well and use this for your service. This is the service that is defined here. It has the ability to send a message. So this particular RPC method here allows you to send a message and get a response back. So in this particular one, that's what you are able to do, and you can specify the body of the request. The next one here uses the post endpoint. You can send a message, but this one here supports streaming. So basically, after the initial request is made by the client, the server can continue to send back multiple responses and stream the responses as the task is updated until everything is fully completed. And then the next one here allows you to just make a call and retrieve a particular task and the details for that task. You have the CancelTask method here, where you can use to specify that a particular task should be cancelled. There's another one here to subscribe to a particular task. So this one allows the streaming responses where the client makes the initial request and the service or the server continues to respond until the task is fully done. This one here allows you to create a task push notification. So you just make the initial request and then the response from the service comes back. There's another one for GetTask push notification config, for listing the configs, for retrieving the agent card, and for deleting a task push notification. Below that, the data model allows you to see all the different messages that can be sent or received from the service, as well as the different task state. So if you are familiar with gRPC, I encourage you to take a look at this particular file. Take a look at the SDKs that have implemented the gRPC transport, and I think this will help you when you're designing for production scenarios where there's going to be a lot of concurrent communication between the client and the services, and you want to make sure that everything is functioning in a very performant way. gRPC uses HTTP2. The message size is compressed, is binary. It allows for full duplex communication in both directions at the same time. So I think this is something that you can leverage. You might not have been aware of this before, but now that you know, please consider this in your design, particularly for production systems where performance and speed is going to be a priority for you. So I wanted to share that. I will put a link to this protofile in the description of the video, and you can take a look at it at your own time. And if you take a look at some of the SDKs, I believe they have also included this gRPC, and they're using that protofile to generate this content. So Python has done it. Let me take a look at Java to see if that one is there as well. It's not really clear, but Python is the first one that I saw that implemented this. and I believe other languages and frameworks and SDKs would join what the Python SDK has done, because Python was the original one. So that is the protocol specification. Once you get to the repository and you go to the spec, if you take a look at the gRPC spec, you would see the protofile, and you can use this to compile your own stubs for your language of choice and implement it to your own taste. So that's what I wanted to cover in this particular video. I want to thank you very much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you think this was helpful, please share with someone else, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see content like this in the future, you can subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon, so that when more content like this is uploaded, you will be the first to find out. And you can give me your feedback if you have any questions, if you have any feedback or comments on things you would like me to do a deep dive on or explain further. I will be happy to do that. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.